evening!
Hello! Good evening po sa inyong lahat.
This is Dr. Homer Lim.
And of course, Danilda.
So for our weekly podcast, medyo na late po tayo dahil si Nilda late po nagising.
Yes po, kagigising ko lang
Oo,
po.
naglaba, nagplantsa,
Yes
naglinis
po.
ng bahay, pati yung
Oo.
buong barangay, nilinis daw
Oo,
niya.
nakipagchismisan din
Ayun,
po ako sa barangay. Oo,
nakipagchismisan.
bakit kaya doktor yun ang pinakamagandang ginagawa, no? Oo.
Marites.
Marites.
Tama.
Oo.
Ano ba pinagmamarites mo lately?
Marami,
Oh.
mga
Hmm.
yung kapitbahay, ganon, na daw, may sakit, ganon. Tapos, pero ang pinakamaganda doon, uy, alam mo ba, sila na. Ganon.
Sila.
Kasi sabi ko, sino yung sila na? Sabi ko, ganon.
Oh.
Yun pala ang pinakamagandang chismis. Oo. Kaya nga yung mga chismis ng about yung mga DPWH, wala.
Wala sinabi?
Huwag kayo makikinig yan kasi mas-stress kayo. Pinakamaganda, mapakinggan talaga yung mga kapitbahay. Hindi ka mas-stress.
Hindi ka stress.
Oo, kasi
Hindi nakaka-stress yun, ha?
kasama kasi nagja-judge. Pero masama ho yun. Huwag ho tayo mag-judge.
Di ba sabi nga niya, thou shall not judge, di ba?
Yes, thou shall not judge. Because it's very difficult to be a judger. Oo. God will talaga. Mga God sa atin. Pero katulad ng Middle East.
Mm,
no,
tama,
diba?
tama.
Ano ba mga nangyayari sa kanila? Gusto nila talaga mga missile.
Tama.
Eh, wala naman tayong mangyayari. Kasi pag tayo sinabugan yun, wala nang mangyayari.
Tama,
Okay.
tama.
Kaya let's pray for all of us
Yun,
po.
yun ang pinaka-importante.
Oo, yun po yung mga latest ngayon na nasagap ko ng mga chismis. Oo, ng Marites.
Okay.
Pero ngayon, doktor,
Oh,
syempre, concern pa rin natin yung mga may sakit.
tama, tama.
Actually, dahil sa mga nangyayari ngayon,
Mm,
parang dapat medyo anxious ka ng konti.
tama. No?
Paano na yung mga may utang? Katulad po. Oo, sabi gano'n, uy, baka magkaroon na tayo ng war. Ay, buti nga, para ma-war na ang mga gano'n, di ba? Tapos, pero syempre, hindi, mawala na yung mga
mga masasama, gano'n?
masasama. Oo.
Lagi namang ang namamatay lagi sa gera yung mga inosente.
Kaya nga, doktor.
Mga walang kinalaman, sila nababagsakan ng granada, ng missile, di ba?
Kaya wag na natin panoorin sila. Ganun po.
Huwag natin panoorin. Tama.
Dok, kapag na-anxious, ano ba mga magagandang supplements?
Ayan, maganda.
Yes,
Pag na-anxious, marami kasi mga pasyente ngayon. No? Well, hindi lang pasyente, ordinary people. No? Nag-start yan, especially during the pandemic, ang dami nagkaka-anxiety.
Yes, so akala nila patay lahat.
Patay, tama. So ngayon, nagkaka-anxiety. So one of the best supplements talaga na nakita ko is actually called L-theanine. L-theanine, no? So hindi naman this is an extract from green tea. So it does not cause sleepiness. Hindi siya parang
alert pa rin, doktor.
kumbaga gising ka pero hindi ka matataranta. Chill ka lang lagi, nag-aaway, nagsasapakan yung mga tao, nagchichismis, nagsasabunutan. Chill ka lang lagi. Oo. Hindi ka nagsasabi, ay! Di ba gumagano'n ka?
Yes, totoo yun.
Tama, di ba?
Tapos sabi, teka. Kaya kung minsan nga may patay, ikaw yung mamamatay doon eh. Kasi nangialam.
Nakikialam mo, ikaw nakikigitna, ikaw inuna tuloy.
Oo nga.
Tama, So pag L-theanine, it makes you calm and kumbaga focus. No, it's also very good pang bata na they cannot kasi nga dahil sa sobrang computer. So yung mind nila is racing from one idea to another kasi ginagaya yung brain nila nasanay dun sa yung mga videos na short videos, di ba? 5 seconds, 10 seconds, bago na ulit, di ba? So parang it can trains their brain to become like rin yung social media na kailangan mabilis lahat. So yung mind nila racing, no? So one way to make them calm and more concentrated sa school is actually L-theanine.
Doktor, paano yung binibigay kapag L-theanine?
L-theanine, we can give it usually isang capsule will be 200-250 milligrams, no? You can add in magnesium glycinate or magnesium threonate, no? Threonate is better kasi it helps also calm you down yung sa emotions, no? So you give it every 8 hours so pagkagising, 2 to 3 in the afternoon, and then bago matulog, para kalma ka even while you're sleeping. No?
Doktor, kasi syempre problem yun sa mga children, lalo na
Mm.
yung mga yan, mahilig sa yung mga naglalaro, computer,
Tama. Mm.
tapos na-defocus sa studies.
Tama.
So maganda palang ibigay yun.
Well, yun nga. So aside from L-theanine na would help them calm down, tsaka more focus, is really, especially kung ano sila, growing up in their teens, no, pre-teens, no, they have to make sure na maganda yung omega-3. Maganda yung omega-3 sa body because omega-3 will help shape your brain. Yung brain
Pampatalino
function.
yun eh.
Pampatalino. Tsaka
Pwede pa ba ako doon?
pampakalma. Pampatalino?
Oo.
Too late na.
Ay! Ako, dapat pala mas maaga binibigay yan. Anong age ba? Anong age
Usually
yun?
kasi sabi ng no, if you look at the kumbaga yung science, no, your brain actually is developing from the moment you're born up to until 24.
Sayang, no. Dapat ako kilala na kita ng 24 ako. Before ako mag-24, mas matalino ako. Siguro naging president ako ng company.
Anong president? Anong company yung pinag-uusapan natin?
Yung mga nandiyan sa mga labas-labas lang. Oo, kunyari lang po yun.
So usually nagpo-form yung omega, the brain actually forms or it becomes bigger as you grow older. Of course, you need some omega-3 there because yung omega-3, yung fats, no? Kung maalala mo, pagkain, di ba sisig?
Oo.
Di ba, ang original sisig was the pig brain.
Yes.
It's actually fats.
Oo nga.
Di ba? So that's omega-3, that's the fat that you need to form that brain. No? So you need that omega-3 to make your brain bigger, no? So kumbaga more interconnection.
Saka makaka-absorb ka agad.
Pagka may interconnection ang cells, the more interconnections between your brain cells, the smarter you become. So yun nga yun, when they binayopsy nga nila yung autopsy nila yung brain ni Einstein, no? So pag check binuksan nila, kasi sabi niya, sige, pag-aralan yung brain ko, bakit sobra kong talino. So they found out that he had lot more connections than an ordinary human being. So ibig sabihin, yung interconnections between cells is really very important. The more interconnections, the better your intelligence. No? Parang yung daan. Di ba? Kung maraming interconnection yung daan, mas maganda ang flow ng traffic. So ganun din yung sa brain. If you have more interconnections between cells, mas maganda yung kumbaga yung thinking process mo, mas magiging more, how do you say, broad and kumbaga more, you can connect things easily, connect the dots quickly, no? Compared to
tumataas ang IQ,
tama, tumataas ang IQ,
mabilis mag-isip, mag-conclusion.
Pero that's not only thing that kids need to have a better brain. Actually, one of them is actually yung thyroid hormone, no? Which is again iodine.
Oo nga. Doktor, alam mo, umiinom ako. Medyo mataas ang pick-up ko ngayon.
Alin ang iniinom mo?
Yung pigs ko.
Pig thyroid?
Oo.
Okay.
Hindi masyado.
Oo. Hindi, okay lang yun.
Ayan, medyo tumatalino ako po ng konti ngayon. Mas mabilis na akong pumick-up. Ganon.
Pumick-up ng lalaki? Ano pick-up yung sasabi mo?
Ibig ko sabihin ng understanding.
Ayun, understanding.
Katulad dati, diba, tinatanong ko yung doktor, ito, 1 plus 1. Sabi ko, 10? Ganon, hindi na ganon.
So, ibig sabihin yun, si Nilda had and has hypothyroidism.
Yes, oo.
So, very important din yun sa mga bata, no? If you're hypothyroid, so, sabihin, ang bagal naman mag-pick up ng
Kaya
bata.
pala.
No? So, but one of the things that is, yun nga, very important na iodine, kasi minsan yung mga bata hindi man kumakain ng isda, ng seafood, ayaw nila, gusto lang nila, baboy, baka, manok, puro fried pa, di ba? Mga junk food, no? So, yung iodine, kailangan talaga nilang iodine to improve their brain function, no?
Yes.
So what are things naman that would help or prevent you from absorbing iodine? Which, yung mga bata, no? Yung toothpaste na may fluoride, that blocks the absorption of iodine.
Paano yan?
No, meron namang herbal toothpaste eh. So you can use herbal toothpaste instead of using fluoride. Yung mga soft drinks, na
Bawal
kulay
din.
yellow,
Yes,
kulay orange or yellow, it has bromide or
yung
bromine.
Royal True Orange,
O
gano'n.
na yan, kaya ka na naman,
Mm.
makakasuhan ka na yan.
Hindi po
Oo.
yung Royal.
Oo, oo.
Kung ano, Merinda.
Ikaw talaga!
Iba pa rin.
Okay.
Orange lang,
Orange
lang.
flavored, orange colored,
Oo.
yellow colored, no? So
Mhm.
they might contain bromide, and bromide actually helps or blocks the absorption of iodine because you need iodine to form a thyroid hormone, di ba? So kaya ikaw tumatalino ka, maganda pick up mo kasi your thyroid is not producing enough hormone already, no? So you need oral or tinawag nating outside sources of thyroid kasi yung thyroid mo hindi na nagpa-function. So if you give you thyroid, so you feel more energy, you have more kumbaga clear ang naging thinking mo, hindi na clouded, no? Hindi na siya tinatamad pagising sa umaga.
Hindi na nga po.
Oo, bumabangon na siya agad.
Agad-agad, sabi, asan ka na? Naku, nasa banyo ako kagad. Gano'n, oo. Hindi, sabay-sabay na lahat ginagawa ko, doktor. Tapos yun ang pinakamahalaga po natin nalaman, understand or natutunan kay doktor ngayon, pag anxious ka, it's very good to take L-theanine.
Yes.
And then,
with magnesium.
Because
that helps to calm down.
Pero doktor, doon sa mga children na hindi nakaka-focus, tapos ayaw matulog ng maaga,
yun.
so pwede natin dagdagan yung melatonin.
Melatonin, usually sa bata, hindi nila talaga kailangan ng melatonin.
So talagang nagpupuyat lang sila talaga.
Kasi yung brain naman talaga sa mga bata, they talaga produce melatonin. It's just that sobrang stimulation ng mga cellphone and cellphone computers, talagang hindi talaga sila matutulog. So it's really more of, I would say, to help them calm down, it's really magnesium tsaka fish oil, omega-3.
Omega-3,
yes. That really, parang it helps them talaga to calm
What is the
down.
dosage, doctor?
For omega-3 for kids, 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of fish oil a day, no? For theanine, 200, 250 is very safe naman. Yun lang nga, wala kasing liquid form yun. It comes in a capsule talaga. Wala pang liquid eh. No?
Meron naman tayo nun, Doc.
Meron naman tayo.
Meron tayo nun. So, if you need that for you, yourself, like me, okay, pwede nyo i-start para sa mga children nyo. What age po, Doctor?
I mean, as early as possible. Di ba nga naalala
6 years old po?
nung bata tayo, naalala mo, ano yung fish oil natin na sobrang baho, di ba? Di ba may yung emulsion tawag natin, di ba? Kahit lagyan ng flavor, lasang lansa, di ba? Ang baho, no? So, but it has, if you have the liquid form, I mean, you can start this as early as possible. No? Kasi because that helps support your brain growth and yung intelligence. Kasi ang IQ kasi, pag hindi mo na start early, hindi na talaga sila ma-reach yung IQ na that they can really
yung mga summa cum laude, magna cum laude,
kasi if imagine ko yung bata IQ niya 90. Let's say lang 90. Okay pa yun.
Yes,
pero what if they can go as high as 100, hindi naman 180, 120, 130 by just giving them fish oil. Kasi yung 180, super genius na yun.
Yes, gusto ko yun eh. Hindi ko na-achieve.
Hindi ma-achieve. Kulang sa omega-3.
Parang na 70 nga lang.
70.
Uy, pero nung kami mga NCEE, taas ko doon.
Talaga?
Wala
na yatang NCEE.
Wala na.
Hindi na NCEE ang tawag doon. Di ko alam eh.
Admission na lang eh.
Admission test sa college, no?
Sa college.
Wala na NCEE ngayon.
Ako exempted ako sa lahat ng college.
Bakit?
Kasi mataas yung NCEE ko.
99 okay. 99 plus. Yabang 99 plus.
No, kasi madali lang naman talaga yun. Ko nga bakit pa pinapatake yun eh. Sabi nga, mag-review pa doon. Madali lang naman. Anong panahon po namin? Matagal na po yun.
Matagal na yun.
So, doktor, yun doon sa mga na-anxious din. Punta naman tayo doon sa mga cancer patients po natin or yung mga nasa middle age women na medyo very, very anxious din po sila. Ngayon nowadays. Kasi syempre, you're getting old, parang na-insecure ka, hindi na ako ganun katalino, kaganda, meron akong wrinkles dito, ang dami butas sa mukha ko pa rin, gano'n, mga gano'n. Tapos tumataba ako. Diba, may marami talagang ways of parang accepting the aging. Diba? Na age group namin nandun na kami. So, doktor, kung pwede kami ng L-theanine plus magnesium,
Yes.
pwede rin kami mag-metformin. Kasi nga, parang kulang na rin kami sa tulog eh. Di ba?
Metformin,
Ay,
melatonin.
melatonin pala. Metformin kasi matamba ako.
Oo, pampasugar yun.
Oo,
Pampasugar yun.
melatonin
Yeah,
pala.
definitely. As we age kasi, our ability to produce melatonin becomes less and less.
Ah.
So that's why it's more indicated for people who are over the age of 40 or 50.
Yes.
The melatonin
Safe
can.
naman yun,
Yeah,
doktor.
I mean, your brain produces melatonin.
Oo.
In fact, ang hindi lang nakakaalam ng tao, kala nila melatonin is just for sleep.
Oo nga.
Mali. Actually, melatonin is a very, very old molecule produced by even yung mga yeast cells. Yeast cells, imagine mo, bacteria, certain kasi why do they produce melatonin? Because it's a powerful antioxidant. It's just like glutathione. It's the glutathione of your brain. So once your brain cells produces melatonin, it's actually to detoxify the brain. Kasi if you are, mapansin nyo, yung mga taong, yung mga, di ba nababalitaan natin, may mga bata nagko-computer 36 hours,
Yes,
7 hours,
yes.
bigla nang tutumba, patay na.
Oo nga.
Because they did not sleep. The brain cannot detoxify all the toxic substances that are being produced by your brain cells. It's only when you sleep, delete yung
Saka siya
brain,
nagko-call.
lalabas lahat ng toxins. So one of the things that the brain produces is actually melatonin to detoxify, to remove these toxic substances that your brain is producing as you are when you are awake. So melatonin is not just for sleep, actually it's a very powerful antioxidant.
Yeah, especially the brain, di ba,
Oo,
doktor?
talagang it goes direct. Kaya kala ng iba, Dok, ayaw ko na mag-melatonin, baka ma-addict ako dyan.
Actually, yun
Di
ang
ba?
pinaka number one na
Laging sinasabi.
oo, na sinasabi nila
na
na ako, ayoko,
nakaka-addict.
baka ma-addict ako
Oo,
dyan.
wala
Baka
namang,
kailanganin ko pa yan
Oo.
parati.
Oo. Well, kailanganin mo yan. Ibig sabihin kasi, your brain is not actually producing enough melatonin already. In fact, ang normally, no, kasi we prior to electricity, siguro we invented electricity in the 1900 na may light bulb, which is 1900. Exacto, 1900. So before 1900, pag gabi, gabi na. 'Di ba? Wala na talagang ilaw,
Wala ka
kandila
na magagawa.
Wala ka na magagawa, walang kandila na lang ang pinakailaw mo. So the brain has that switch na pag gumagabi na, doon siya mag-start mag-produce ng melatonin.
So, ngayon, 24 hours.
24 hours, naka-ilaw, di ba? So, yung ability of the brain to produce melatonin becomes blunted. Bumababa, humihina.
May Netflix pa.
Lalo na ikaw, Netflix. Inuubos mo yung buong season.
Kaya nga.
Pagkatapos ng Netflix, alas 6 na pala ng umaga.
Kaya nga, nanghihinayang ako, ba't hindi ako natulog? Parang ganun. Pero, sayang-saya naman ako sa Netflix. Pero yun, importante yun.
And another reason why hindi ka nakatulog, what adds up to that is yung cellphone.
Yes.
Yung computer, meron blue light. Yung blue light is the one that suppresses your, tinatawag nating pineal gland, part of the brain that actually produces melatonin. Kaya nga yung mga, mapapansin mo, kung yung mga may mga cars na may blue light sa side, no? Just para yung mga driver daw, hindi maantok.
Bawal yun
Hindi. I mean, hindi naman blue light sa loob, hindi sa labas, no? Ganun din yung sa mga, mga casinos. They would put blue light, no? Around para they will play forever naman. Hindi sila antok yun.
Kala ko para hindi makita yung kung magkano yung betting nila.
Hindi, may blue light lang, konti lang. No? Just to make the brain produce less melatonin. So one way actually to prevent is actually to avoid using computers too much, saka cellphone at night, or meron tinatawag na blue light filter.
Yes po.
Or another way would be to cover your eyes. Kung kunyari, takot ka sa dilim. Tatakot ka, baka pagka pinatay mo ilaw, may lumabas na mumu. So one way is also to tatakpan mo yung mata mo. Because that also helps to kumbaga stimulate yung melatonin production.
Yes.
But of course, as we age talaga, your ability to produce melatonin becomes less and less. So you might have to take melatonin to help you talaga sleep.
Yeah. Okay, so yun po yung ako natin, yung ano na, doktor, yung sa mga bata,
omega-3.
Omega-3. Kailangan po nila iodine.
Yan.
So yun po, para naman po yung ating next generation natin,
Oo.
talagang they are so parang intelligent and
So so sa mga bata no, so
mm,
basically we covered things that would actually help them improve their memory and their
yung
yung
memory,
memory,
oo,
brain
oo.
function, yung pick up, sabi mo nga,
Yes,
comprehension, no?
oo.
So how what so tumatanda no, parang bumabagal din yung,
Yes,
'di ba,
oo,
pick up na.
doktor, oo.
Bakit bumabagal, no?
Kaya
I'm
nga,
not as sharp as I was
yes,
10 years ago or 20
oo.
years ago.
Parang yung kapag nga ako, yung boss
Oh.
ko dati, alam ko
Oh.
na yung sasabihin niya eh. Hindi nga totoo,
Oh.
papagalitan na ako. Hindi, pero usually talagang alam mo na eh.
Oo,
Kabisado mo na. Pero
Oo.
ngayon, ha? Anong sabi mo? May mga gano'n ka. Parang may mga gano'n ka na may gap na.
Oo.
So, kung meron akong melatonin, meron
Ah.
akong L-theanine, meron
Oo.
akong magnesium,
Hmm.
ano pa yung kailangan ko,
So
doktor? Kahit ako, wala pa akong sakit doon, doktor, ha? Yun
so
lang, kulang lang sa pick-up, kulang lang sa
tama. So one
comprehension.
of the things that you can use actually yung tinatawag nating methylene blue.
Yun
Methylene
yung
blue.
doktor yung
Oo.
yung kulay blue.
Good. Kaya methylene blue.
Hindi ko po kasi alam eh. Sabay mo tayo matututo dito. Ano po yung methylene blue?
Actually, methylene blue is
Oo.
one of the oldest drug.
Drug na po yun.
It was
Opo.
it was actually a chemical dye. It's a synthetic dye. It was used to color textile.
Pero
Imagine
pwede
that.
inumin.
It was 1800, no?
1800, pero pwede
And
i-take
then,
siya, doktor.
eventually, kasi they found out that pwede rin siyang panggamit pang dye ng mga tissue. So they were using it to dye for malaria, tuberculosis, even mga neurons, no? Pagka nag-autopsy or nagbabiopsy. So and then later on, they were able to find out that methylene was actually a very, very powerful antibiotics. Tingnan mo. So no, but actually, methylene blue was given through IV for urinary tract infections. So methylene blue is actually one of the oldest drug in the market, no? So medyo na wala lang siya sa kasi there were more powerful antibiotics that came out. So then came yung mga penicillin, yung mga ganun, no? So but methylene blue is still one of the drugs that you can use to fight infections, no? So but later on they found out that something is, methylene blue, apparently with more research done, it also helps the cells, no? Not just the brain, but the brain's powerhouse or yung generator ng electricity or ng ATP, which is your mitochondria. It helps the mitochondria function better. So they found out that methylene blue will actually helps your cells become more energetic. And that your brain cells also contains a lot of yung mitochondria. So which cells of the body has lots of mitochondria? It's your heart cells. It's your brain cells. It's your liver cells. So these cells, these organs need lots of energy. Eh kung yung power plant mo mahina. So of course your ability to think, to process thoughts, your liver cells to process toxins, to clean out toxins from the body, which is your liver, no? So, but if you give methylene blue, they become more efficient. So that's why methylene blue has been found out to actually improve your cognition, your memory, your reading, your comprehension. So methylene blue is really a powerful, kumbaga, drug, no? To help in sa memory, no? So I take methylene blue every day actually, no?
Magte-take na rin ako niyan.
So ano ba ang side effect ng methylene
Oo
blue?
nga, baka naman, doktor, baka blue.
Oo.
Hindi kaya ako maging blue?
Baka maging Smurf
Ay,
ka.
oo.
Hindi.
Ang laki kong Smurf niyan. Opo.
Mama Smurf.
Mama Smurf ako.
Well, actually, ang side effect talaga ng methylene blue, yung wiwi mo, magiging color blue-green. So parang, wow, parang kang may tawag dito, toilet cleaner, di ba? Yung toilet cleaner na nilalagay, kulay blue, di ba? So yun nga, yung ihi mo, medyo magkukulay blue.
Pero yun, kapag umiinom ka lang, doktor.
Yes.
Yun.
So but again, well, it's very safe actually, if you take methylene blue. Of course, may dosing din, but really, we found that the methylene blue is very powerful drug to help not just the brain, but actually your cells in general. Also, it's a powerful antibiotic at the same time. So it cleans the blood. and your urine also if you have
Mm-mm.
infection. So it's really one of the, kumbaga yung in ngayon. So a lot
Mm-mm.
of people are now doing research on this wherein they're using methylene blue for
Mm-mm.
energy, for resistance, yun nga,
Mm-mm.
for those who have yung dementia, beginning dementia, yung mga may brain injury, no?
Mm-mm.
They found out that methylene blue seems to help these types of
Doon sa
patients.
mga doktor, doon sa
Mm.
mga nagka-stroke,
Yun
pwede
nga,
po yun.
strokes, no?
Yes.
Nagkaroon ng dementia, no? So
Oo.
these are ways to help, parang to help the brain recover faster.
Opo,
Oh, kasi it
doktor.
gives more energy, so your cells become more,
Oo.
kumbaga, efficient. Because as you age din kasi yung number of brain cells mo nababawasan.
Nga
Kung
po,
na-stroke ka
doktor.
pa, di mas bawas pa
Yes
siya.
nga po,
So all
doktor.
the remaining neurons, you need to
Mm.
make it more resilient and more efficient, no?
Mm-mm.
Kasi nga nabawasan, they will have to take a
Mm-mm.
bigger load, no? So
Mm-mm.
one of the things that you can actually use is methylene blue, no?
Mm.
But there are other things aside if you don't, if you're, you don't want to take
Kasi
methylene
nga
blue.
baka kasi mag-worry sila.
Oo.
Ito yung pampakulay eh.
Oo nga,
Oo,
tama.
sana sa buhok na
Actually,
lang.
your fish, no? Yung
Oo.
mga nasa aquarium, di ba?
Oo.
Nilalagay nila methylene blue as an antibacterial,
Ah,
antifungal,
para hindi
antiviral,
magkuhan
para
yung
hindi
fish.
magkasakit yung mga
Oo, yung
fish,
mga
no?
fish.
Oo. So, you know that it's,
Oo, oo.
the fish can survive every day if you put methylene blue, no? So, but other things that you can use to help the brain is also yung mushroom.
Mm-mm.
One of them is called the lion's mane.
Mm.
Lion's mane. So, lion's mane mushroom.
Nakita ko na yung sa reseta mo, Dok.
Oo,
Oo.
tama. That's also
Oo.
very good for the brain. And so, lion's mane naman, it helps, ganun din, connection.
Oo.
It helps make more connections between neurons, no?
Mm-mm.
It does not make new brain cells.
Mm-mm.
Because once your brain has developed at age around 24, yun na yun.
Mm-mm.
So, yung importante na lang is yung interconnections.
Mm.
Because yung connections, they come and go.
Mm.
Depending on how you use your brain.
Kung hindi na nagagamit.
O, hindi na nagagamit. Wala yung
Purol-purol
connection.
na.
Di wala connection yung brain. So,
Kaya nga.
mas mabagal mag-pick up, no?
Oo.
Hindi mo ma-pick up yung pinanonood mo sa
Kung minsan nga ganun
TV.
inuulit ko, rewind. Sabi ko, rewind nga natin yan. Hindi ko naintindihan na mapinagsasabi. Saan siya nanggagaling, ganun.
Oo,
Pero
tama.
actually, maganda yung learning natin. Kasi nga, kung meron tayong, yung sinabi nga ni doktor na pampakalma para doon sa mga anxious patients, and then pampatalino sa mga bata, which is the omega 3, oo, na mga fatty, hindi yung fatty ko. Ayun po, na pwede natin as early as
Yes.
6 years old kung may
I mean, as early as they're born, di ba? Kasi nga yung mga yung mga breast milk has omega 3. So it's also imperative for mothers who are breastfeeding, they have to take omega 3 kasi yung breast milk mo will have omega 3. That's very good for your kids.
Yun, yung pala.
Oo.
Pero kung kailangan talaga natin, syempre kung wala talagang milk,
Meron milk, no?
opo.
Oo.
So, pwede natin silang bigyan ng mga liquid or
Yeah, oo.
kung meron tayong makukuha, pag 12
Tama.
years old, 13 na sila,
Yes.
yung mga orals
Capsules.
na capsules po.
Oo.
And then, para sa mga age group na mga 40s, mga ganyan, we have the methylene blue, which is a very good,
Oo.
parang sabihin natin, brain enhancer.
Not just the brain, no? Cells.
Oo.
In general.
Ano yung sabi?
Mitochondria.
Ano yung inalay, doktor? Ano yung
Mitochondria
function?
is the powerhouse of your cells.
Powerhouse, kumbaga siya yung parang baterya
Tama, parang
ng mga cells
mo.
natin.
Without that mitochondria, your cells will die because wala siyang energy.
Yes,
Wala siyang pagkukunan ng energy, no?
Yeah.
Oo.
So, maganda rin po yung methylene blue. I-text nyo po ako. Meron kami methylene blue.
Okay, so
And I think this is really a very good drug kasi Dr. Homer is also using it. Kita niyo naman kung gaano siya katalino po. Gaano siya kung paano mag-absorb ng mga ideas and, kung paano niya rin i-manage yung mga patients natin.
Okay.
Yun.
So before we
Yes.
continue, matapos na tayo, we just want to say hi, Dr. Grace Lopez. Hi!
Hello po,
Si
Doktora.
si Ma'am Yami, andyan na naman.
Hi,
Hello!
Yami.
Tapos, si Ma'am Leah nagtatanong, are all melatonin supplements available in the market good? I mean, Doctor, we cannot say everything is good, right?
But we are assured that if it is from LifeSays, it's very, very good po.
Nagpo-promote ka
Ay,
na naman.
nagpo-promote ako, pero totoo yun, based on experience po yun.
Okay,
Ayun.
so how do you know if it's good? Actually, one way to really look if the supplement is good, if you look at reviews. Kaso lang, may quote ko, para malaman kung totoo yung reviews, di ba?
Kuminsan
Ang
kasi
daming
hindi.
peke din ng reviews, di ba?
oo.
So you have to go to brands that you trust.
Mm-mm.
I mean, yung brands na talagang alam mong excellent, no?
Mm-mm.
So there's a website, it's called consumerlab.com, that they do, how do you say, they do reviews, they analyze all these supplements to see which supplements talaga ang the best in terms of the amount. Kunyari, sabihin nila, yung melatonin nito is 3 mg. Pina-check nila, wala palang 5.5 mg lang pala.
Mm-mm.
So, kumbaga, they check yung quality ng isang brand. But to be safe, go for the brands that are more, kumbaga, more familiar and more, kumbaga, marami na, matagal na siya sa market. So, these are the brands that you opt for. I don't want to mention brand
Pwede
names.
nyo ho i-trust yung sa amin. Yun lang po masasabi ko po. Kasi talagang we have parang reputable or
because
Oo.
because we of course
Yeah.
I'm always the first guinea pig.
Yes,
Any new
oo.
product
Tested na niya
so
po.
we test them through third party, no, but also I
Take it
I
personally.
I take it,
Take
so
it personally.
I won't poison myself, di ba?
Yes, of
Oo.
course. Alive na alive nga po eh, di ba? Yun.
Okay, so anyway, 30 minutes na tayo.
Ay, nako! Meron pa tayong dapat na tanungin, Doktor.
Oo.
Maliban doon, pwede ba yung NMN and
Resveratrol. That's also very good for your for the brain, for brain function, for energy, no. NMN is like your another form of energy currency
Okay.
for the cells, no.
So, we can take the three products
yes.
at the same time.
Yeah, we can.
Syempre, medyo anxious ka nga. You wanted to be still on top of everything.
Yes.
Lalo na yung mga people na talagang nasanay na mag-work for how many years.
Yes.
Tapos biglang magre-retire and everything.
Oo.
So, these are the good or I would say recommended drugs.
Yes.
For,
Supplements.
Yeah, supplements po
Yeah,
para
yeah.
sa ating lahat.
Yes,
Yun.
yes. Okay.
So, yung mga anak natin, gawin natin silang mga summa cum laude, magna cum laude, as early as 6 hanggang 24 years old lang naman po.
Oo, okay.
Ayun.
Okay, so,
Okay.
bye-bye na. 7:45 na pala. Late
Bye-bye.
kasi eh.
Oo
Late
nga po.
kasi eh.
Wag ho kayo masyado manood ng news. Kayo po ang panoorin nyo. We are available if you wanted to view us again, replays. Meron kami sa Spotify,
Sa YouTube.
and meron pa ho tayo sa TikTok.
Wala sa TikTok.
Wala pang
Sige,
TikTok.
gagawa si Nilda ng
Yes.
TikTok. Okay.
Oo.
Okay.
Ayan, thank you po sa
Thank
inyo
you.
lahat. We'll see you next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.